your sponsor. Show me where they pain, no.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do jumbo box braids. So I already went ahead and parted my hair so I can get the braids started. Alright, so let's get started with the braid. Alright, so we got our braiding here, and we got some edge control, you know, to get that sleek look. Okay, so we're going to take the braid in here and start separating it into smaller sections. Okay, so I'm doing knotless braids. So you're going to take your hair and start braiding it down a little bit, maybe once or twice. And then you're going to take the extension hair and start adding it in with your real hair. And I'm doing waist length box braids, so you're going to consistently see me adding hair to maintain the thickness and the length of the braid. So I went ahead and did the back off camera. So I'm gonna show y'all how I do this braid in the front. For this braid, I'm going to have some strands of hair left out so I can do kind of a goddess braid look. So the goddess braid look is when you leave some strands of the hair out and, you know, curl it. Or you can use already curly hair, but I didn't have any, so I'm going to curl it up myself. So I didn't get a chance to show you guys the curling process on camera because I honestly had to go somewhere, so I kind of rushed and finished my hair off camera. So what she's doing with the flex rods is basically what I did to achieve the curls. So this is how it turned out. Now, I'm not a professional braider, but it looks cute to me. So until next time, remember to slay with confidence, spread love and positivity, and I will catch you guys in the next one.